Hello everybody. I was just about to leave for a client and the UPS man came up my driveway with this box and I think I know what's in it. Do you want to find out with me? It's very well taped, so I have to be careful with this box cutter as I unseal it. But we're very happy that it's packaged well. Let's see what we can find in here. It is the first copy of the non-obvious guide to being more creative no matter where you work. There we have it.